Man, I can't believe that Kara smashed my gaming PC. Well, at least he bought all of the parts of my PC. Now I am going to build it. Alright, now I am going to put the CPU in the motherboard. Alright, now I will put the RAM in the motherboard. Alright, now I don't know what to do next. I am going to look it up. Ugh, I still don't know what to do. I really don't know how to build a PC. Well then, I am just gonna take a break.
Hey Caillou. What are you doing?
Well, Rosie, I was building a computer, and I am really struggling on how to do it, and I am taking a break.
Oh yeah. I currently built one yours last time. What happened to it?
Kara smashed my computer that you built, and you bought all of the parts of my PC, and I am trying to build it again.
Oh okay. Well, at least he bought all of your parts that he broke. Do you want me to help you finish your PC?
Sure, you can help me finish building my PC.
Okay Caillou. Alright. So you need to put the motherboard in the case before you put the graphics card in.
Okay, Rosie.
Good. Now put the graphics card in the motherboard.
Okay, Rosie.
Good. Now let's put the rest of parts in. Okay. We are finished. Now turn on the PC.
Okay, Rosie. Oh yes, it worked, and it looked almost the same as my other one.
Yeah. Good job Caillou.
Wow. That looks cool.
Yeah, and also Rosie helped me build it.
Wow, Rosie, good job for helping Caillou build his PC. For this, you are ungrounded. You can do whatever you want.
Wow. Thank you Dad.